Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at the JBL Club 700 versus the Audio-Technica M50 2nd Gen to see which one have a better audio and which one sound the best. Both of them are very much of similar price, so it will be very interesting to see which one had the better audio for the price. Let me go through the spec for both of the headphones very quickly. First we're going to look at the JBL Club 700. Definitely you can see it is a smaller headphone, so it is an on-ear headphone rather than an over-ear headphone. It is around £100, so it came out last year, so £100. Coming on one color, you have in black, coming with 50 hour playtime, so really good on the battery. No noise cancellation, but it does come with the noise isolation. That means is the ear cups actually helps you to reduce the outside noise. So it does come with a 40mm driver, so really loud. You have a dual mic, so you have two built-in mic, so really good on the mic, and it's coming with a few built-in voice assistant. You have a Google Assistant and you have Alexa. It is supported by the JBL app, so we will go through and test the audio out. It is supported by Bluetooth 5.0. Slightly heavier headphone than normal because this is most of the things are in metal. On the left you have power button, Bluetooth, talk through, audio intake. On the right you have the volume control as well as a pause and play, and USB-C for charging. So really simple headphone, so you can actually fold the headphone, so easy to fold, and really soft materials on the headbands. Now we're going to look at Audio-Technica M20 2nd Gen. So it came out like 2 weeks ago, so really good headphone. It's around £180, so because it's just released a few weeks ago, that might be the main reason. £180. So in the future it will go down. So it's coming in a few colors. You have black and purple. 50 hour playtime, exactly the same as the JBL. 45mm driver, so JBL have 40mm driver, so slightly louder than the JBL. Dual mic, and you can connect the headphone to multiple devices at the same time. So if you want to connect to your laptop and your smartphone, it is an easy connection. You have built-in voice assistant, you have Google Assistant, Alexa, Bixby and Siri. Quite a lot on the voice assistant part. EQ app supported by Bluetooth 5.0. Both of the headphones have really good on the audio spec as well as features. Audio-Technica is going to be the over-ear headphone, on the JBL is going to be on-ear headphone. When you come to the audio control wise, on the left you have mic, volume control, power button, audio intake and USB-C for charging. On the right you don't get any audio control, it's just a very plain ear cups. You can fold both of the headphones. You can't fold the Audio-Technica fully, because if you do go further, it will stop you from here. When you come to headband, it have a reinforced metal on the sides. Slightly heavier headphone as well. Compared to this, JBL feel heavier than the Audio-Technica. So now we're gonna try the audio.
Yeah, I started on a 50mm lens. Now I'm about to bag 50 yen. I can shoot all day, I got stamina. Turtleneck on with my camera, yeah. Stay creamy, man, that's what they say. Shoes laced up and I came to play. Yeah, I'm first team, I'm a superstar. They call me Cream, like Abdul-Jabbar. Yeah, you have to face it, let's get back to basics. I'ma take the shot like yeah, I started on a 50mm lens. Now I'm about to bag 50 yen. I can shoot all day, I got stamina. Turtleneck on with my camera, yeah. Stay creamy, man, that's what they say. Shoes laced up and I came to play. Yeah, I'm first team, I'm a superstar. They call me Cream, like Abdul-Jabbar. Yeah, you have to face it, let's get back to basics. I'ma take the shot like yeah, I started on a 50mm lens. Now I'm about to bag 50 yen. I can shoot all day, I got stamina. Turtleneck on with my camera, yeah. Stay creamy, man, that's what they say. Shoes laced up and I came to play. Yeah, I'm first team, I'm a superstar. They call me Cream, like Abdul-Jabbar. Yeah, you have to face it, let's get back to basics. I'ma take the shot like yeah, I started on a 50mm lens. Now I'm about to bag 50 yen. I can shoot all day, I got stamina. Turtleneck on with my camera, yeah. Stay creamy, man, that's what they say. Shoes laced up and I came to play. Yeah, I'm first team, I'm a superstar. They call me Cream, like Abdul-Jabbar. Yeah, you have to face it, let's get back to basics. I'ma take the shot like Maybe I just needed someone to hold me. All the signs were there that this wasn't working, and after a while I just couldn't take the hurt. Left a hole in my chest on the day that she left, but it was for the best. Maybe I was blind, too scared of the lonely. Maybe I just needed someone to hold me. All the signs were there that this wasn't working, and after a while I just couldn't take the hurt. Left a hole in my chest on the day that she left, but it was for the best. Maybe I was blind, too scared of the lonely. Maybe I just needed someone to hold me. All the signs were there that this wasn't working, and after a while I just couldn't take the hurt. Left a hole in my chest on the day that she left, but it was for the best. I was blind, too scared of the lonely. Maybe I just needed someone to hold me. All the signs were there that this wasn't working. I woke up tired and blue, but then I peeked and saw you, ready to take on a day all brand new. You said, hey girl, it's time to eat, time for a walk down the street. Come on, let's live it with joy and with glee. I woke up tired and blue, but then I peeked and saw you, ready to take on a day all brand new. You said, hey girl, it's time to eat, time for a walk down the street. Come on, let's live it with joy and with. Woke up tired and blue, but then I peeked and saw you, ready to take on a day all brand new. You said, hey girl, it's time to eat, time for a walk down the street. Come on, let's live it with joy and with glee. I woke up tired and blue, but then I peeked and saw you, ready to take on a day all brand new. You said, hey girl, it's time to eat, time for a walk down the street. Come on, let's live it.
Hey guys, this is the audio from the M50 2nd Gen. You should be able to hear my voice very clearly. If you can't, then the mic is not that good. Hey guys, this is the audio from the JBL Club 700. I'm outdoors, so it's slightly windy in UK, so you should be able to hear my voice very clearly. Also a bit outside noise as well. If you're able to hear my voice very clear, then the mic is really good. If you can't, then you should consider looking for a better headphone. So we tried the audio with the vocal, bass and bass mix just to see how the audio is. Both of them have a very different type of audio and both of them sounds really good. So let me go through the main thing I really like about both of the headphones. On the JBL have a much natural audio than the Audio Technica. When you come to bass, it's quite decent. Without the app, when you go into the app, is really good. On the other hand, the Audio Technica have really good bass. Without the app, when you go into the app and you get much more option on the bass and what you can do. I really like the audio on the Audio Technica when you come to the bass comparing with the JBL. JBL have the more natural audio. I tried both of the EQ app, the vocal as well as bass, just to see which one sound the best. I would say on the bass, Audio Technica have a really good bass. When you come to vocal, I will go with the JBL for a vocal. Both of them have a very different on the features wise. JBL, you have a talk through technology. The Audio Technica, you don't get any of that, but it does come with it does give give you an option when you want to change the support codes. When you come to comfort, both of them have really good mic. I love the audio. So far I haven't experienced any audio to video delays. So if you are considering for a headphone with the good price and a good audio, I highly recommend going with the M52. First of all, it's going to be the audio. Overall audio quality, M50 to have much better audio than the JBL. Second, you get a lot of features you can actually use. Third is going to be an OBS headphone. The only thing I don't really like is just the price. It's going to be £180. Hopefully in the future they actually reduce the price, where on the JBL is around £100. It's on-ears headphone, so I don't really like on-ears headphone. It just, I don't feel comfortable at all with on-ears headphones. That's why I picked the 2nd gen over the JBL. It just smaller ear cups, heavier than the M50, and I can't rotate the ear cups. And I really like the Talk 2 technology on the JBL because of the weight, and the ear cup can't be rotated. I really like the audio on there. I love the audio on the M50 comparing with the JBL, because you get overall really good audio, where on the JBL have a really good vocal, but bass, M50 have a better bass and much more louder than the JBL. If you are looking for a really good headphone under £200, I highly recommend going with the M50 2nd gen over the JBL 700. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video, leave the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.